Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for Xianyu. First, you will need to download the Xianyu application from your device's App Store. Once installed, open the app and look for the registration or sign-up option, usually found on the initial screen. You will then typically be prompted to choose your registration method, and the most common and straightforward way is to use your mobile phone number. This ensures a secure and verified account for buying and selling. Next, you will enter your valid Chinese mobile phone number into the designated field. It's crucial to use a number that can receive SMS messages. After entering your number, the system will send a verification code to it, usually a 6-digit number. Carefully check your SMS messages for this code. Once you receive it, promptly input the 6-digit code into the application to proceed with the registration process. This step confirms your identity. After successful phone verification, you will be guided to set up your profile. This involves creating a unique username that will identify you on the platform and a strong, secure password to protect your account. Make sure to read and agree to the user terms and conditions before proceeding. The app might also ask for some additional profile information, such as your location or preferred language, to enhance your user experience. This helps personalize your Xianyu journey. To fully utilize Xianyu, it is highly recommended to link your Alipay account. This integration is essential for seamless transactions, both when buying and selling items on the platform. Once your account is set up and linked, you can begin exploring the vast marketplace, browsing through countless listings. You are now ready to start listing your own items for sale, connecting with a wide community of buyers and sellers. Enjoy your new Xianyu experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.